Hello, Namaste. I'm Binoy Thapa. I'm a certified hotel administrator from American Hotel Lodging Education Institute, and I'm also a associate member of International Society of Hospitality Consultant. I've been into this industry for almost like 25 years, and I'm a hospitality graduate, and I'm much more involved into academics and operation of the hotels. Talking about myself, I've worked in various fields in various organizations, and currently I'm working in Siddhartha Group of Hospitality as a Chief Operating Officer. And my responsibility in Siddhartha is to take care of the entire operation. Currently, we have around 28 hospitality operations, right from cafe to upcoming 5-star hotels. Talking about the industry, as we are much more aware that the hospitality industry in Nepal is booming like anything. So, and there are a lot of new hotels and properties coming up. So, in my prospect, there are a huge opportunities for the upcoming hospitality students who are opting to or willing to do hospitality education. And talking about hospitality education, there are a lot of different colleges and institutes which are providing different types of hospitality education, right from vocational to full academic course. And recently we have a tie-up with Quest International College, which is running hotel management bachelor's program affiliated from Pokhara University, and they are also having a BBA program and also the MBA program. And we recently have a tie-up with Quest International College. Our tie-up is moreover to facilitate the students in their casual management, internship management, and part-time jobs. And as all the industry is facing a big human resource crisis, especially in the hospitality sectors, we are facing a crisis in terms of quality and in terms of quantity of human resource support from the market or from the industry. So I think our association or tie-up with Quest International College will help us to eradicate some of our problems in human resource crisis, and also in the other way around, it will help the student to polish their career and to get into the industry and to understand a bit of industry before they go into the main job market or main market. So they can have a lot of experience and a lot of work skills before they achieve their full degree or full before they finish their entire academic courses. So why we do associate with Quest International College is there's one big reason, because even I was associated with Quest International College for almost like 6 to 7 years. I used to be a lecturer out there, and my subject is more over taking F&B Advanced Management course and cost control. And during my tenure with Quest International College, I always liked their way of taking responsibility in caring the students to give them much more practical and skill approach rather than only the academic things. So I felt like if we have an tie-up with Quest International College, maybe it will help the college. I can get a cream product out of the college, and I can incorporate them into my business, and maybe we'll get a bit of relief into this market of this human resource crisis and all the stuff. So I think the academic trends are changing a bit in the market. So it's being in hotel management or hospitality education, they have to be much more focused on skill and in terms of technical abilities and in terms of using their all abilities or to understand the situation in the market and all those things. So, and I think in my best knowledge, I believe that Quest International College has always been able to give the fullest to the student and give a justification in whatever money they spend or whatever time they spend in learning from the college. So I think this way we can both get benefited, either also the Quest International College, also the Siddhartha Business Group of Hospitalities, and on the other way around, it will also be benefited to the students to know much more about the market and the industry and the local business and also the international business and how the things are going around in the operation, even the small scale business or in the large scale business. So that's how we have been in a tie-up, and I think it will benefit each and every one of us.